Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use collagen face cream. First, begin with a clean canvas. Gently wash your face with a mild cleanser to remove any makeup or dirt. Follow up with a hydrating toner to prepare your skin. This step ensures your skin is ready to fully absorb the beneficial ingredients of the cream, maximizing its effectiveness for a radiant complexion. Next, let's talk about application. Take a small, pea-sized amount of collagen cream onto your fingertips. Gently dot it across your face, focusing on areas that need extra attention. Using light, upward strokes, massage the cream into your skin until it's fully absorbed. This technique helps stimulate circulation and ensures even distribution for optimal results. For best results, incorporate collagen cream into your daily routine. Apply it twice a day, once in the morning and again before bed. In your skincare regimen, it typically goes on after any serums, but before your sunscreen or heavier facial oils. Regular application helps maintain skin hydration and supports its natural elasticity over time. To truly maximize the benefits of your collagen cream, consider your overall lifestyle. A balanced diet, rich in vitamins and antioxidants, supports skin health from within. Remember to drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin hydrated. Also, always protect your skin from sun damage with a good SPF, preserving its youthful appearance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.